3, 2, 1, go.
Hi, welcome to the digital visit. Every recipe in your fridge or your pantry. That's so repetitious. I don't like that. Okay,
Just keep doing it over.
we're just gonna keep doing it. You're gonna be like spending 8 hours in the editing. Available as a digital edition. God, Janet, I can't do this.
Do you want to write it out?
I don't know.
Do you want to be cooking?
Do you want to have like
what to do? The series started because of what I was being told by the series started because see, this is where I kind of now available in digital format, and the inspiration for this series was my cooking school. 9 I'm the creator, Chef Deb Rankin. I'm gonna just keep going. So now you can still find the condiment on the shelf. Hi, welcome to the edition. Just keep going. Don't even bother. Just keep going. Now that you know me.